Alright guys, well what I plan to do this week at some point is use this cool soldering kit that I got recently to remove these two batteries right here. And then I will try to replace it with these two tiny batteries here, just to see if this part here of the mechanism, this little board with all the various little chips and things, can be connected to a different battery. And if the issue with this whole thing is that this is still functioning and the batteries are broken, or I may find out that the batteries are functioning fine and it's this that had the problem. Having said that, I think it's still more likely that this is functioning and this was not, because I did put a metal wire going from this to this, which is really dangerous and you should never ever do. But because I do crazy stuff on the channel, I'm willing to take the risk. But we'll see what happens.
Likey.